English Learners Podcast.
Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learners Podcast, where we learn slow English the easy and natural way. My name is Lily, and I'm so happy you're here. Welcome to our new series, Shadowing English Speaking Practice for Beginners, A1 and A2 level. We're so excited to start this journey together. I speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along naturally and learn effortlessly. And if you don't know me, I'm from New York in the United States. But now I live in London with my family. Yes, busy life. But I love it here. London is full of energy. The little streets, the red buses, the sound of the rain, and of course, the food. Let's talk about that for a second. I love British tea time. Oh yes, tea, not coffee. A nice warm cup of tea with milk and maybe a slice of lemon cake or scones with jam. Delicious. And the bakeries here, they smell amazing. Fresh bread, croissants, and pastries. I can never say no to that. On weekends, my family and I love to visit small cafes, take walks by the River Thames, and sometimes go to the park for a picnic. I also enjoy reading, listening to music, and taking long walks through old British streets. The buildings here have so much history. Every corner tells a story. Now, you might be wondering, wait, Lily, why do you have an American accent if you live in Britain? Well, good question. I was born and raised in New York, so that's my natural accent. But I love the British accent too. It's polite, soft, and musical. And guess what? My good friend Tara will join us soon. She has a lovely, calming British accent. Together, we'll give you the best of both worlds. So tell us in the comments, do you prefer American or British English? We'd love to hear from you. All right, take a deep breath and exhale. Perfect. Let's begin. First, I'll tell you more about my life in Britain, and then we'll start speaking practice together. Ready? Let's go!
All right, everyone. So first, let me tell you a little bit about my day in Britain. Where should I start? You might wonder, what's a normal day like here for me? Well, my mornings usually begin with tea. Yes, I know. I used to drink coffee in New York, but now it's tea. I wake up early, usually around 7 a.m. The sky is often gray, and sometimes it's raining. But that's okay. I kind of like the rain. It makes London feel cozy and calm. I open my window, take a deep breath, and I can smell the fresh air and sometimes croissants. There's a little bakery right next to my house. Oh my goodness, the smell is heavenly. I grab a warm croissant and walk down the street. People are rushing, buses are honking, and I can hear the famous Mind the Gap at the tube station. Classic London. Sometimes I stop to watch the red buses go by, and I always smile when I see people walking their dogs in tiny raincoats. It's so cute. In the afternoon, I like to go for a walk near the River Thames. The air feels fresh, the views are lovely, and you can see the London Eye in the distance, turning slowly in the sky. You might ask, Lily, do you ever miss New York? Maybe sometimes. But London has a special charm. The people are polite, the parks are green, and there's history everywhere you look. It feels like living inside a storybook. So yeah, that's a little bit about my life here in Britain. Busy, beautiful, full of small moments. And I wouldn't change it for anything. All right, enough about me, because now I want to bring in someone very special. She's calm, kind, and has the most beautiful British accent. And you already know her. Everyone, please welcome Tara.
Oh, that's a nice introduction. Thank you, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Tara, and yes, I'm the one with the British accent. Some of you already know me, but if you're new here, yes, my name is Tara, and I live in London. I have been teaching English for over 20 years, and I absolutely love my job. All right, so do you know why we started this Shadowing English Speaking Practice series for beginners? Well, because we know how hard it can feel to speak English out loud. Sometimes you worry, oh no, my accent isn't perfect, or what if I say something wrong? But here's the truth. Everyone learns at their own pace. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your confidence. You simply listen, repeat, and feel the rhythm of English step by step, word by word, until speaking feels natural and easy. That's why Lily and I created this together, so you can practice with both of us. You get her bright American energy and my calm British tone. A perfect mix for learning English with fun and balance. But remember, all accents in the world are beautiful. And yes, yours too. All right, are you ready to begin? I'll hand it back to Lily, and she'll guide you through today's shadowing practice.
Wow, Tara, you always bring that beautiful balance back to everything. I love how you explain things so clearly. You make learning English feel so simple and so calming. Thank you, Tara. You're amazing as always. All right, everyone. Now it's your turn to speak. We'll start with short, easy sentences, nice and slow, so you can follow along naturally. No rush, no stress. Just enjoy it. This is your moment to relax and speak confidently. Remember, just listen first, then repeat after me. And hey, don't worry about mistakes, okay? Mistakes are how we grow. This is your safe space to practice English freely. All right, take a deep breath with me. Inhale slowly and exhale. That feels good, doesn't it? Perfect. Now, let's begin our shadowing practice together. We'll begin with short, easy sentences first. Simple, clear, and fun to repeat. Nice and easy, just to get you comfortable. Then, as we start to pick up momentum, we'll move to slightly more challenging sentences. Just a tiny notch up. Nothing too difficult, just enough to make your English sound more natural. Remember, the goal here is not perfection. It's progress. Every time you listen and repeat, your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence grow stronger. So, take it slow, enjoy the process, and most importantly, have fun while learning. All right, ready? Here we go. Let's begin our shadowing practice. Short, easy sentences first. Listen first, then repeat with me. Part 1. Morning time. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I feel happy. I feel happy. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Let's start the day. Let's start the day. Part 2. Daily routine in London. I wake up early. I wake up early. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. The tea is warm and sweet. The tea is warm and sweet. I open the window. I open the window. I can hear the city. I can hear the city. I see a red bus. I see a red bus. People are walking to work. People are walking to work. London is busy but beautiful. London is busy but beautiful.
Well done, everyone! Part 3, at the bakery. Here we will practice slightly longer sentences. I walk to the bakery near my house. I walk to the bakery near my house. It smells so good inside. It smells so good inside. I see bread, muffins, and cakes. I see bread, muffins, and cakes. I buy 1 croissant. I buy 1 croissant. It is soft and buttery. It is soft and buttery. I sit near the window and eat slowly. I sit near the window and eat slowly. Part 4. Afternoon in the park. Later, I walk to the park. Later, I walk to the park. I see green trees and colorful flowers. I see green trees and colorful flowers. The air feels fresh and cool. The air feels fresh and cool. I sit on a bench and listen to the birds. I sit on a bench and listen to the birds. A dog runs by. So cute. A dog runs by. So cute. I smile and say hello to a lady walking her dog. She smiles back and says, "Lovely day, isn't it?" Ah, such a British thing to say. Ah, such a British thing to say. Part 5. Evening Reflection. Here we will practice longer rhythm in a natural pace. Now the day is ending. Now the day is ending. I feel peaceful and happy. I feel peaceful and happy. I learned new English words today. I learned new English words today. I spoke slowly, clearly, and confidently. I spoke slowly, clearly, and confidently. Every day, I'm getting better. Every day, I'm getting better. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Wow, well done, everyone. What a fantastic practice today. Take a deep breath and gently let go. Nice. Wonderful, everyone. You did it. You spoke English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm so proud of you. Each time you listen and repeat, you're training your ears, your voice, and your confidence. And that's exactly how you grow. So if today felt good, just imagine how amazing you'll feel after 1 week or 1 month of shadowing. Now let's bring Tara back, because I know she always has the perfect words to end our episode.
Wow, that was wonderful. Thank you, Lily. And thank you, dear listeners, for taking this time to practice with us today. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about connecting. expressing yourself and enjoying the journey. Every small step matters. Every word you say with courage brings you closer to fluency. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. Oh, and if you ever feel shy, just come back here. This is your safe space to learn and grow. Take care, everyone. We love you all. See you tomorrow.